Alright, so when we're doing a solar mount, we have a couple different choices when we're doing the battens. We have a fixed, so if I'm doing a counter batten system or just a regular 2x2, I'll just use that fixed batten one. If I'm using an EBS, since it is a little bit higher with the pucks, we'll need to go to an adjustable one that will sit over the top just like so. So how we do this, we're going to find our rafter, then we're going to pre-drill our holes, and then we're going to go ahead and caulk those holes, and then we'll set our mount over the top of the panel like so. And then we'll come back with the lag bolts that are included. Fasten those down into the pre-drilled holes and into the caulking. Then we'll go ahead and ready the panel over the top. And then go ahead and put fasteners in the front nose like normal.